Welcome to Beautyistic, where we celebrate all things beauty with a touch of fun and expertise. If you're a fan of easy, mess-free manicures that add a little spook to your style, this one's for you. Today, I'm diving into the Kiss imPRESS Halloween press-on nails in the In Your Sleep design. These nails promise a no-fuss, no-glue Halloween mani that's perfect for those looking for a hauntingly chic look, so let's see if they live up to the spooky hype. These press-on nails come in a vibrant orange and black Squoval shape with a matte finish, making them the perfect accessory for all your Halloween festivities. Each kit includes 30 press-on nails in various sizes, a prep pad, a mini nail file, and a manicure stick, all you need for a quick transformation. Now, let's talk about why these nails have become such a buzz in the beauty world. First off, the key selling point of these nails is their easy application. No glue, no mess, just peel, press, and voila! This makes them super user-friendly, especially for anyone who wants a flawless manicure in minutes. And the best part? They're designed to be gentle on your natural nails, so you don't have to worry about any damage when it's time to take them off. Now, let's talk about that unique design. The orange and black color scheme with its matte finish gives off the perfect Halloween vibe, fun yet subtle. I love how it's spooky enough to grab attention, but not over the top. The glow-in-the-dark feature is an absolute highlight, perfect for those late-night Halloween parties or ghostly strolls through the neighborhood. But how do they hold up in real life? In my testing, these nails were incredibly easy to apply. The adhesive on the back sticks firmly, but doesn't leave behind any sticky residue when removed. I wore them for a few days, and I was impressed by their durability. Kiss claims up to 10 days of wear, and while I didn't test them for that long, I can confirm they stood up well to daily tasks. No lifting or chipping, even when I was busy carving pumpkins and prepping my costume. However, there were a few things worth noting. While the overall design is spot on, the shorter length and Squoval shape may not be for everyone. If you prefer longer or more pointed nails, this might feel a little too subtle for your taste. Also, for anyone used to professional manicures, the matte finish might feel a little different, more like a DIY vibe than a salon-grade result. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, these nails are incredibly convenient. No glue, no mess, and they come with everything you need in the kit. There's truly no reason to go to a salon for a Halloween manicure. The glow-in-the-dark feature is a fun touch, and the design is bold but wearable. On the flip side, the shorter length and matte finish may not be for everyone, especially those who love a more dramatic, high-gloss look. And while the adhesive is pretty sturdy, if you're doing a lot of heavy lifting, you might find that they start to wear down a bit quicker. As for value for money, these nails are priced competitively for the convenience they offer. You're getting a full kit that can last for up to 10 days, depending on your lifestyle, which is great when compared to traditional salon manicures that cost much more and require maintenance. If you're someone who loves a good Halloween-themed manicure, but doesn't want to commit to the hassle or the price of a professional manicure, this is a great option. In terms of build quality, I was pleasantly surprised. The nails themselves feel durable, and the adhesive backing is strong enough to ensure they stay put without causing damage to your natural nails when removed. Plus, the included mini nail file and prep pad ensure you can perfect the fit before applying the nails. If you're on the fence about spending extra on Halloween-specific press-ons, there are some other affordable options out there, but none quite match the easy, no-mess factor of these Kiss press-ons. If you're not into the shorter Squoval shape, there are other Kiss designs with longer lengths and more elaborate nail art that might appeal more. Now for the final verdict. If you love the idea of a Halloween manicure that's quick, easy, and doesn't require any glue or fuss, these Kiss imPRESS Halloween press-on nails are definitely worth a try. They're perfect for anyone who wants a fun, festive look without spending hours in the salon. Just remember, the design and finish may not suit everyone's style, but if you're a fan of simple, bold, and convenient manicures, these nails could be your new go-to for spooky season. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used these nails before or have any other Halloween nail recommendations, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.